Question number 22. A polymer has the following repeat unit. It is made from two different monomers. Which pair of monomers could be used to make this polymer? I think so. One is this polymer. This is one type of polymer. This is one polymer. HCl. And this is another polymer. CH. This is CH2. This is CH. Double bond CH. CH2. CHCl and CH2. This is CH2 and CH and CH. So this is exactly like this molecule. So this might be correct. CH2 CHCl and CH2 CH2. This is 2 carbon, and over here 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon. So there are 1 2. So this is not correct. CH3 CH2 Cl. There is a single bond in between these two carbon atoms, so it must not be a monomer. And CH3 CH double bond. Over here it is CH3, but in this there is no CH3, so it is also not correct. CH3 CH3CH, so this is also not correct. CH3, because CH3 there is no CH3. CH, the monomer like this, CH3 and H, so H, CH3, so there is no CH3 in this molecule given in the question, so that's why it is not correct. And this is CH2Cl plus CHCl, and the compound is, if we draw the monomer, this is CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2 and CHCl. So this is not like this. This polymer is not exactly like this molecule given in the question, so it is also not correct. B option is correct, which is similar to this molecule. Question number 23. Compound X contains two functional groups. Which reagent will react with only one of the functional group? Only one of the functional group. Acidified potassium dichromate react with only, this is aldehyde, so acidified potassium dichromate only react with CHO. 2,4-DNPH, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine react with aldehyde as well as this ketone. Hydrogen cyanide is a simple molecule, does not react with this compound, so this is also incorrect. NaBH4 is reducing. Which reagent will react with only one of the? NaBH4 react with both compound, and HCN also react with both compound. HCN and NBH4 both react with ketone and aldehyde, so it is, both are incorrect. Both react with ketones and aldehyde, so A must be react, because acidified potassium dichromate only react with aldehyde, not react with ketone. Ethanol can be converted into ethene into a single reaction. Ethanol can be converted into bromoethane in a single reaction. Under standard laboratory conditions, is catalyst used in these reactions? Is a catalyst used in these reactions? Ethanol to ethene. Ethanol can be converted into ethene in a single reaction. Yes. Ethanol can be converted into bromoethane in a single reaction. No, it is not in a single reaction. It is in two reactions. So it is not in a single reaction. So B is correct option. Diols in which both hydroxy groups are bonded to the same carbon atoms can spontaneously eliminate a molecule of water to produce a carbonyl compounds. Which compounds after complete hydrolysis give silver mirrored with Tollens reagent? Silver mirrored with Tollens reagent. Diols in which both hydroxy groups are bonded to the same carbon atom can spontaneously eliminate a molecule of water to produce a carbonyl compounds. Which compound after complete hydrolysis gives a mirror, silver mirror with Tollens reagent? It must be aldehyde, which gives a silver mirror, 1,1 dibromobutane, 1,1 H this compound gives COH, OH, CH2, and form C double bond O H C. So this gives aldehyde and gives a silver mirror with Tollens reagent. Gives silver mirror with Tollens reagent. So this is correct. Now let's check another compound. One two dibromobutane. 1 2 3 4 1 2 OH OH. This will gives H. So it is not correct. OH not present on the same carbon atom. 1,3 dibromo. 1 3 di 1 2 3 4 1 3 dibromo gives OH so it gives change. So complete hydrolysis gives ketones, and so give the silver. This is ketone does not give silver mirror test. So next compound A must be correct option. 2,2-dibromo. This is present on the same carbon atom, but it gives ketone, and ketone does not give silver mirror test, so it is also incorrect. A must be correct. Which ethanol will gives a yellow precipitate when bombed with alkaline aqueous iodine? This compound CH3, CH3, H, CH, CH2 and OH. Alkaline aqueous iodine gives positive test with compound like this CH3 or compound like this OH and CH3. So this does not give the positive test with alkaline aqueous iodine, so it is not correct. Next, B is OH. This is tertiary alcohol. This will not give the positive test with alkaline aqueous iodine. CH3, C is CH3, CH3, CH2, COH, CH3, CH3. This is also tertiary alcohol, so it will not give the positive test with aqueous iodine. So D must be correct. Let's check. CH3, HOH. So this will give the positive test with alkaline aqueous iodine. So it is correct. This will give yellow precipitate of triiodomethane. So this must be correct. Question number 27. How many structural isomers are there of molecular formula C5H10O that gives a red precipitate with failing solution? How many structure isomers are there of molecular formula C5H10O that gives a red precipitate with failing solution? CH2, CH3, CH2, 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 CHO, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CHO, CH3, 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 CHO. One, two, three, 4, and 5. And another possibility, CH3, CH3, CH3. This is incorrect. CHO, CH3, CH2, CH2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. CH3. So this is for CHO, CH3, CH3, and CH3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 isomers are there. Question number 28. Its statement about the use of alkanes fuel in internal combustion engine is correct. C8H8 is used as a fuel in the internal combustion engine and reacts with oxygen and nitrogen from the air. Is used as a fuel in internal combustion engines and reacts with nitrogen and oxygen from the air. In limited oxygen, carbon monoxide is produced. Which statement about the use of alkane fuels in internal combustion engine is correct? In limited oxygen, carbon monoxide is produced, which oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide in the atmosphere. This is incorrect. Carbon monoxide is not oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. The catalytic converter removes pollutant gases including nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide is not pollutant gases, so NO and CO is pollutant gases, so it is also incorrect. Unburnt hydrocarbons and nitrogen dioxide can react in sunlight to produce photochemical smoke, so this is correct option D. Unburnt hydrocarbons and nitrogen dioxide can react in sunlight to produce photochemical smoke. Question number 29, compound Z is shown. What is produced in good yield when compound Z is treated with an excess of sodium carbonate? Sodium carbonate react with this carboxylic acid and form CO2Na, and rest of the compound will remain the same. So A must be correct. NaOH is not react with sodium carbonate, so B is incorrect. It is also incorrect. CO2Na correct, but sodium carbonate will not hydrolyze this ester, so A option is correct. The infrared spectrum was obtained from the compound G. So C double bond O peak is present between 16 this is 1640 to 1670. So this is C double bond O is present, and this peak is C double bond CO. So it means OH is absent, OH peak is absent. So not ketones CH3CO, CH2OH, OH is absent, so this is not correct. CH3CH2, C double bond O, and OH is absent, so this is not correct. CH3CO2, CH3, this must be correct, so C option is correct. So there is no C double bond O in this compound, so D is also incorrect. Section B, question number 31. Symbol for the phosphorus ion is P33. and the symbol for potassium ion is P37. K37 positive ion, 3 negative ion. What do these two ions have in common? The same number of electrons. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18, or 19 minus 1 is equal to 18. Yes, they have same number of electrons. They have the same number of neutrons. So 33 minus 15 is equal to 18, and 37 minus 19 is equal to 18. So this is also correct. 1, 2 were correct, so the option is B. Question number 32. The repeat unit of the polymer is shown. Which types of intermolecular forces exist in the solid polymers? Temporary dipole and induced dipole interaction is also present. Permanent dipole is present. CN bond is there, electronegative element. Permanent dipole also interactions present. Permanent dipole, induced, temporary dipole and induced. 1 and 2 hydrogen bonds are absent, so 1 and 2 statements are correct. The option is B. Question number 33. No other combination of statement is used. The diagram illustrates, question number 33, the diagram illustrates the enthalpy change of a set of reactions. Which statements are correct? U and R. U to R. This is U to R. U to R. So this is like this. So this is along the, this arrow is opposite, so the sign is reverse, minus 92. This arrow is not along with this arrow, so sign is reversed. Plus 134 is equal to 42 kilojoule, mole inverse 1. So 1 is correct. The enthalpy change for the transformation T to S. T to S. Minus 75 plus 92. Minus 75 plus 92. This is plus and this is against, so the sign is reversed. This is minus 75 minus 92 is equal to minus 17. So this is incorrect. R to T. R to T. The energy change for transmission is minus 33. Minus 33. Minus 134 plus 92 plus 75 minus 134 plus 92 plus 75. This is equal to plus 33, so it is also incorrect. So if statement 1 is correct, the option is D. Question number 34. Which statement about a reaction that has reached dynamic equilibrium are correct? The rate of forward reaction equals to the rate of the reverse reaction. Correct. There is no overall change in the concentration of reactants and products. It is also correct. There is no change in the measurable properties of the system. Yes, it is also correct. So A option. Question number 35. Group B elements and their compounds show trends in their physical and chemical properties. Barium is above radium in group 2 of the periodic table. Which statement are likely to be correct? Barium hydroxide is less soluble than radium hydroxide. Solubility is barium hydroxide is less soluble than radium. Barium, yes, it is correct because barium is above than radium. So this group 2 solubility of hydroxide is increases downward. So this option is correct. Barium reacts less vigorously with water than radium does. Yes, this is also correct because reactivity increases downward. Reactivity increases down the group. Barium sulfate is more soluble than radium sulfate, and sulfate solubility of group 2 sulfate decreases downward. So this is also correct. Option is A. Question number 36. Which statement are correct? The empirical formula of silicon 4 oxide is Si42. Yes, it is correct. The molecular formula of phosphorus is P4O10. So this is incorrect. Silicon 4 oxide and phosphorus 5 oxide are both simple molecular compounds. Silicon 4 oxide is giant and this is simple molecule. So this is incorrect. D option is correct. Which reagent could be used under suitable conditions to oxidize 2CH3CH2O? Acidified potassium manganate and acidified potassium dichromate. B option is correct. Which free radicals can be generated after a free radical substitution reaction between chlorine and ethane? CH3 is not possible. CH2 because ethane, there is ethane. This is correct, and CH3CCl2 also correct. So if 2 and 3 are correct, option is C. Which substances have molecular formula C4H6OH4A2? CH3, CH2, CH3. This is 3. This is C4H8O, CH3, CH3, 1, 2, 3, H and H. This is also C4H8O and CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, 7 and 8. This is also C4H2. So option is A. Question number 40. Which reactions produce pantenoic acid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus this is not correct because this formula, this is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH. This is ketone is formed. CH3, O, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Yes, pantenoic acid is formed. C double bond O, OH, CH2, 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 CH3. So this is correct. CH3, CH2 thrice CN. This is also hydrolyzed to form pantenoic acid. CH3, CH2, 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 CO2H. This is 3 statement and this is 2. So this is correct, also correct. B option, C option is correct option.